Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to explain how to use wildcard characters in CountIF function. Here I have some data in column A. So I am going to apply CountIF function on the mentioned data. In column C, I mentioned some requirement. Let me write the formula. My first requirement is count number of cells which starts with A. Here I am writing CountIF function, CountIF. Thereafter I am selecting the range, comma. Next I am mentioning double quotes. In that double quotes, my requirement is first letter should be A. Here I am mentioning A. Subsequent to A, we can have multiple characters. Hence, here I am mentioning as star. Star denotes one or more number of characters. Close the bracket. Here, application returned output as 2. We can find apple. Thereafter, we can find in A5 cell. Let me check. Here I am replacing pineapple with ABC. There, application returned output as 3. Next, my requirement is string starts with A and ends with A, equivalent to CountIF. Next, I am selecting the range, comma. First character should be A. Thereafter, we can have one or more number of characters. Hence, I mentioned as star. Last character should be A. Here, count is 0. Means no data has matched with the mentioned requirement. Here, I am adding A before banana. Then application return output as 1. Here I am removing the A. Next, last character should be S, equivalent to CountIF. Here I am selecting the range, double quotes, mention the star, means we can have one or more number of characters before S. Output is 1. Here we can find the grapes. Next, second character is A, equivalent to CountIF. Select the range, comma. So here I am using question mark. Question mark denotes single character. Second character is A, hence I mentioned as A. Subsequent to A, we can have one or more number of characters. Hence, here I am mentioning as star. Close the bracket. Here output is 1. Application returned the output based on banana. And last one is second character is P and last character is E, equivalent to CountIF. Select the range. Second character is P, hence here I am mentioning as question mark, whatever the character it may be. Next, coming to second character, here I am mentioning as P. Subsequent to P, we can have one or more number of characters. Thereafter, my requirement is last character should be E. Here application returned output as 2. Means second character is P and the last character is E. It returns apple. We have 2 apples. Here I am extracting the formula by using formula text. So in this way, we can use wildcard characters in CountIF function. Wildcard characters are useful to extract the output based on partial match of the data. I hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.